In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Yahoo email account easily and efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started on setting up your brand new Yahoo email. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Yahoo signup page. This can be done by typing the address login.yahoo.com/account/create directly into the browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a form ready for you to fill in with your details. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Now you'll start by entering your first and last name. Remember, this will be associated with your email account, so make sure it's the name you want people to see when they receive emails from you. Next, it's time to choose a new email address. You can get creative here, but make sure to pick something memorable and professional, especially if you plan on using this email for business communications. If your first choice isn't available, Yahoo might suggest alternatives, or you can try a different variation of your desired address. Afterwards, you'll need to create a strong password. It's crucial to make this a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account is secure. A good tip is to avoid using easily guessed information like birthdays or common words. Make sure to store your password in a safe place or use a password manager so you won't forget it. Next up, you'll enter your mobile phone number. This is an important step as it's used for verification purposes. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy because Yahoo will send a verification code to this number. Also, your phone number helps in account recovery if you ever forget your password, making it an essential part of your account security. Then, fill in your birth date. This information helps Yahoo personalize your experience. Including your gender is optional, so you can decide whether you'd like to share that info. Once you've completed everything, click Continue. Yahoo will then send a text message with a verification code to the number you provided. Keep your phone close by to quickly access and enter this code on the website. This step confirms that the phone number is yours, adding an extra layer of security. After your phone number is successfully verified, congratulations! Your new Yahoo email account is officially ready to use. From here, you can start sending and receiving emails, customizing your inbox settings, and exploring all the features Yahoo Mail has to offer. And that's all there is to it. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and you're now ready to make the most of your new Yahoo email account. Thanks for watching and have a great day getting acquainted with your new email setup.